Hi friends, I am Dilshad from TKMC and here I am explaining a multiplexer and a demultiplexer. And basically a multiplexer or a mux is a circuit that used to select one of the several analog or digital input lines or signals and forward the selected input into a single line. A mux of 2 raised to n input has n select line which are used to select which input line to send to the output. And the main application of a mux is to reduce the bandwidth of transmission in communication system. And conversely, a demultiplexer or a demux is a device which take a single input and select one of the many data output lines which is connected to the single input line. A multiplexer is often used with a complementary demultiplexer on the receiving end. Here we are using a TTL IC 74151 for mux, which is a 8x1 mux, and here we have 8 input lines D0 to D7 and 1 output line Y and 3 select line S0, S1 and S2, and here we have a strobe terminal, and for enabling the IC we have to ground this strobe. And for the demultiplexer we have IC 74138, which is a 1:8 demultiplexer, and it has 1 input line G1, 3 select line S0, S1, S2 and 8 output line Y0 to Y7. And this is the circuit of a 8:1 mux using IC 74151, and here we have 3 switches as 3 select lines S0, S1, S2, and the rest of the switches are the data inputs, and the output is connected to the first LED. And now we can go through the working of this 8:1 mux. And here initially the 3 select lines are kept 0 and the D0 input is selected, and for changing the input at D0 we can get the output from the first LED, and the other inputs are disabled and there is no change in the output terminal. And for the next input 1, the D1 input is selected and the output is getting, and the other input terminals are disabled and we are not getting any output. And similarly we can select for all other select lines. Here this is the circuit of the 1:8 demultiplexer using 74138, and here we have 3 select lines S0, S1, S2 and 1 input D, and the 8 outputs are connected to the 8 LEDs 1, 2, 3 and 7. Now we can go through the working of this demultiplexer. And for this IC 74138, the output is active low. Initially all the select lines are kept 0, then the input is connected to the first LED and all other LEDs are become idle. Then for the next we select the select lines as 0, 0, 1, then the second LED is selected and the input is connected to the second LED. I hope you found this session was very useful, and thanks for watching.